Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the vlog. I just woke up. I'm about to get ready for my day. My skin overall looks good, but I have been getting some little breakouts here and there, and my under eye bags from not sleeping as much or as well has been catching up to me. I'm starting with cleansing my face per usual. I typically don't use an eye cream, or I haven't for a while, but like I said, I feel like I'm in need of one, and hopefully this will help rejuvenate my eyes somehow. And this is what it looks like out of the box. I really do like the applicator, and the consistency is really light. I went in with my usual moisturizer, and I will have this eye cream linked in the description for you guys. On the website, there's a bunch of other skincare that they offer, and they're all made with natural ingredients. So this is what I've been doing for makeup lately. Just chapstick, a little bit of blush. I put a pimple patch on my pimple, fill in my brows just a little bit, and the tiniest bit of mascara. Sometimes I end with gloss and sometimes I don't. I just really brush my hair into a bun. Sometimes I don't even do this step. I'm throwing something on really quick because I have a ton of laundry to put away. And also in this video, I'm going to be hanging up all of my winter clothing. Now that I got all of the linens and our laundry put away, I'm starting to declutter some of my winter clothing. I'm not keeping all of this. I tossed out a lot before we moved here, but I still have so much clothing, so I'm just separating it by tops, dresses, and then like long sleeves and coats.
Can catch up with the thoughts in your mind. They're everywhere, and it's hard for me to bear. 'Cause I get so lost, feel just like a boomerang. 'Cause you change your plans every day, and you don't seem to care what I think or how it affects me. Since I lay my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when it gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you, my lady? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love, true love is what I want.
I'm back in the laundry room to switch the laundry quickly and then we're headed into my office. That's the closet that I'm going to be using to organize all my winter clothing into.
Cause you are finishing my sentences when I don't know what I'm about to say. But that's what I like. We just like yin and yang. But sometimes I wish you would hear me out and listen to what's on my mind. Yeah, yeah. Since I lay my eyes on you, my baby, I just wanna make your dreams come true, my lady. If you're low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know when gets tough. Do you feel the way I do, my baby? Do you see me like I see you, my lady? I love you, but I don't need you. I only want true love, true love, true love is what I want, my baby. Like I see you, you see me. That's the only way to be right. True love, true love is what I need, my baby. Like I see you, you see me. That's the only way to be right. True love, true love is what I need, my baby. Like I see you, you see me. That's the only way to be right.
In my office closet, I just have a bunch of random stuff in here now. The kids' baby bins, a couple of dresses, my cosplay, and just a suitcase. There were some sweaters on top. I want to make more sense of this closet and use it just for my winter clothing. I did keep the kids' baby boxes in there though. Now I'm in the kitchen to start dinner and do a little meal prep, and the girls actually wanted to help and be on camera, so enjoy this. I didn't even look in the mirror before I started filming. We had just got back from my boyfriend's house and we were cuddled up on the couch watching Demon Slayer, so this is what I look like. Also, Ruby dyed her hair red. It looks so cute. She just turned 15 and she also got her septum pierced. I will update you guys on that when she comes back to my house. the girls wanted to show you all the seasonings that we were using. We're making chicken tenders here, but I also made a chicken noodle soup because it's getting so cold here. And then I prepped something else for the next day. What was it? Oh, it was burgers that I prepped for the next day also. Ruby's dad popped in really quickly to say hello while I was cooking. The kids ended up watching Dandaran. Have you guys been watching Dandaran? For my anime fans that follow me, it is so cute. It's the most adorable anime I've seen in a while. Sultan was on potato chopping duty. I had some potatoes left over from Thanksgiving, so we decided to make some fries also. Really random to go with the burgers, but we didn't eat the burgers until the next day. I'm searing off my chicken before I add in the chicken stock and other seasonings and let that simmer down and be ready to go for tomorrow. I'm so excited that the weather is cooling down and I can start to do some cozy, warm content. I'm so excited for that to come up. We also made some cookies at the end of the night. When it gets cold, we eat cookies pretty much every single night. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.